Welcome to InfoVerse Hub, where timeless stories meet powerful life lessons. Today's tale comes from an old forest, simple, deep, and full of wisdom. Let's begin. The 4 Cows and the Hungry Lion, a lesson in unity. Long ago, in a quiet and ancient forest, lived 4 cows who were not just companions, but true friends. They grazed together, rested together, and protected one another from every danger. Their bond was so strong that no predator dared to attack them, not even the fierce lions and swift leopards that roamed the forest. Whenever one cow sensed danger, the others immediately gathered around her, forming a protective circle. Their unity was their shield, and because of this, even the bravest hunters stayed away. But hidden behind the trees, a clever lion silently watched them day after day. He longed to make them his prey, yet their strong togetherness kept him helpless. No matter how hard he tried, he never found a perfect moment to attack. One unfortunate day, however, everything changed. A small misunderstanding sparked an argument among the cows. Their trust began to fade, and anger pushed them apart. Instead of grazing together, each cow moved to a different meadow, thinking she would be safer on her own. The moment the lion and a nearby leopard realized what had happened, their eyes lit up with excitement. This was the opportunity they had been waiting for. They planned quietly, hiding behind thick bushes near the cows' grazing spots. Soon, one cow wandered alone toward the bushes, unaware of the danger. In a flash, the lion and the leopard jumped out and attacked. Without her friends beside her, she had no chance to escape. One by one, the remaining cows suffered the same fate. Their lack of unity made them easy targets, and the predators claimed each of them in turn. Moral of the story: unity is strength. When we stand together, we are protected. But when we allow misunderstandings to divide us, even the smallest enemy can overpower us. Thank you for listening to this timeless lesson from InfoVerse Hub. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more inspiring tales from around the world.